The Apple iPhone 14 Plus, released in September 2022, remains a solid choice for consumers even today. With its stunning display, powerful performance, and improved camera features, it appeals to users who want a premium smartphone experience without paying the higher price of the Pro models. The iPhone 14 Plus features a gorgeous 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2778 by 1284 pixels and a pixel density of 458 ppi. This OLED panel supports HDR content with peak brightness reaching up to 1200 nits for HDR videos, delivering vibrant colors and deep contrast. The high contrast ratio of 2 million to 1 ensures that blacks look truly black, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The iPhone 14 Plus keeps its premium design with an aluminum frame and a ceramic shield front cover for extra durability. Weighing about 203 grams, it feels substantial yet comfortable in your hand. The device comes in several eye-catching colors, including midnight, blue, purple, starlight, and product red. The iPhone 14 Plus runs on the A15 Bionic chip, which has a 6-core CPU and a 5-core GPU. This processor delivers excellent performance for multitasking, gaming, and demanding applications. Even now, the A15 chip ensures smooth operation with the latest iOS updates, making it a reliable choice for everyday use. The dual camera system on the iPhone 14 Plus features a 12 megapixel wide lens and a 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. The larger sensor and improved computational photography features, like the photonic engine, significantly boost low light performance, allowing for brighter and more detailed photos. The main camera's ability to capture up to 49% more light than its predecessor improves image quality in a variety of conditions. Action mode for video recording offers advanced stabilization for smoother footage, making it perfect for capturing dynamic scenes. With a battery capacity of around 4,383 milliamp hours, the iPhone 14 Plus delivers excellent battery life that can easily last through a full day of heavy use. Users can expect up to 26 hours of talk time or about 20 hours of video playback under optimal conditions. The device supports fast charging, up to 50% charge in about 30 minutes, and wireless charging via MagSafe, up to 15 watts. In conclusion, the Apple iPhone 14 Plus stands out as an excellent choice for users looking for a powerful smartphone with an impressive display and enhanced camera capabilities. Its combination of performance, design quality, and innovative safety features ensures that it remains relevant to this day.